this inside the aquarium as part of the decoration. But before we use it, I have soaked this for 2 days now, and I'll be brushing it. So as you can see, the water is a bit cloudy. I'm using just an old toothbrush, and it means that we're able to remove some of the dirt. So we're done brushing the stone, and we'll be soaking it again and change this water. So we'll be cleaning the water with new water. So guys, this is how it looks like now after we have removed the watermarks, and now we're trying to fill up the tank to check on the fixed silicone on the side of the aquarium. So we're going to start to decorate and rearrange this driftwood and rocks inside our aquarium, including the sand and pebbles. Okay, here we go. Try to place all our this one, and then we'll cover it. There you go. So we're done. filling up the tank right now so we can check further, and I'll be siphoning it and have the filtration do the work afterwards. So as you can see, we're running water inside our tank and it's still cloudy. We will run our power head over the filtration there, and we will put some salt, and then we will try to cure this tank and run it for a couple of days. So now we're running our filtration, and I removed the driftwood because I'll be siphoning the tank again, and then afterwards add more decoration to it. As we're going to do the filtration first and run this water for a couple of days, I will treat it with this one just to make sure that the gravel doesn't have anything that would cause our fish to get sick. And then I will siphon the tank again and then refill it again. So we have put some drops of methylene blue, and this treats against skin diseases or gill flakes, fungus, velvet disease, and other fungus development on eggs if you're breeding. And I didn't follow the instruction though, I just want to make sure. That's why the water is not that blue so much. But afterwards I'm going to siphon the tank, probably around half, and then refill the tank, put a chlorine eliminator because we're trying to make sure that the tank is healthy for the fishes that we're going to put in. We have siphoned the tank again. There it goes. So we'll be cleaning the tank. And we have washed our artificial plants that will be adding inside the tank. So we did a little bit of change because I think I like the curve here, as it would look like a cave, and on this side too. So what we did is that we tied this driftwood, which is too light and it's easy to float, so we tied it with a very thin nylon to a very heavy rock. So just to make it in place when it's inside the water. Let's do it! Guys, I want to show you the final setup that we have. So previously this was on a sideway, but I just decided that it's better to do this because the angle of the roots of this driftwood is so nice. Looks like a cave where the fish can go through. Then we have set up some artificial plants there, and the water's kind of a bit cloudy because I moved some rocks and some sand earlier, so it would just take a little while, or probably a few days, while we're waiting for the fish. So guys, this is how our 50-gallon tank looks like after 24 hours. We did some siphon and also run our filtration system here, and that's why there's a bit cloudy part in our tank, but we have rearranged already some of the landscape and pebbles and small rocks here on this side, and try to cover a bit of the pointy part here so that our fish will not get hurt. But the best part is this side, where you can see it's somewhat like a tunnel or like a cave for the fish to go through, and part of their obstacle right there. So stay tuned, because this would only be a part 1 of this vlog for the setup of our 50-gallon tank. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Hope Cocina 101, and also you can leave a comment or suggestion. Click the bell icon so you get notified with the progress of our Aqua Fishy adventure. So till next time, bye bye now.